right, man.
Hold on, Matt.
Hold on. Where's the Barry Lemon, man?
Finish the Barry Lemon, man. Finish the Barry Lemon for the viewers.
All right.
Oh shit, man, he's spilling it.
I didn't know it was open, bro.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna show you guys what's going on with YSP's car, and then we're gonna move to the Corvette. As you know, you see the red Corvette over there.
So as you guys remember from the other video, we had the C5 and we got the wheels for it, but now they're on with some fresh new. What are these, Mike? Pilot Sport S? Michelin's?
Super Sports. On the rears are Super Sports, the fronts are Pilot Sport S's.
Okay. So the rears are Super Sport. These are Pilot Sport S, but as you can see, the wheels are on. The new tires, they look good. So,
Get some thinking, man, guys. You hear this music? We're not getting rid of the jig, all right? That's what's happening. I'm just letting y'all know, like, I really wanted to get some shit, but, like, I don't want to trade for a shit box, man. And I got to keep drifting for the DriftTweakers, you heard?
we do it for y'all, man. That's what we do it for.
Y'all. Burning the tires for y'all.
YSP,
nigga. Yo,
shout it out.
what you doing, YSP? We gonna crush
Yeah!
Alright,
Yo, Nick, watch yourself, man. Yo, alright, so we out here, guys. Let me talk, alright, DriftTweakers. Matt basically blew his clutch up. The YSP right here, this one. Shithead.
I don't think it's blown yet.
I mean, it didn't blow, but he dumped the clutch and the tires were spinning, but the clutch was. But listen, now we got bad news. Jimmy texted us, Matt. I mean, you know what I mean? He texted us saying that the G37 has a slight rod knock or something. So, to be honest, we don't know what we're about to fucking do right now. As far as for the channel in the next couple of weeks, I mean, I still got my shit, but I mean, we're gonna have to figure out first of all what we're gonna do. I don't really know what we're about to do. I mean, we can go pick up a fucking engine, to be honest, from Facebook Marketplace and slap it in. It's got like 120,000, but I mean, you know what I mean. You never know guarantees with that. So, well, I mean, we gotta keep you guys posted because I mean, Matt, you can talk to him and let him know.
Yeah, so I was just letting you talk to him real quick, but
Now I say we go to the club and fuck two bad bitches.
this nigga, bro. Alright,
basically, yeah, what he said, we got a call from Jimmy and shit. We think the engine is blown up, but we'll see what we about to do. Keep you updated, you know? It's that DriftTweaker lifestyle, man.
Pour it in. Pop your gas tank.
Pop your gas tank.
You gotta pop it, right?
Yeah, you can do it if you want. Here, man. So Jim was just saying we blew the engine in the
G37. Matt, why?
No, this happens. Like this, it's supposed to do this.
Matt.
No, man. The clutch just blew out, basically. So
No, what happened to my car, bro?
Alright, well, basically what happened to the G37.
Well, we don't know yet, but we think Jimmy was saying it blew up. But
Matt, look under the car.
Nah, nigga, it's good.
all right, guys. So unfortunately, like we just said in the last clip, I got some unfortunate news from my mechanic, Jimmy. You know what I'm saying? My engine blew up. TJ's gonna tell you right here.
Yeah, guys. So fucking, the engine blew up in the G37. So basically,
Thought it was the alternator,
it's not
but
the alternator. It's not the serpentine belt. It's not even the battery. YSP's passing. But yeah, as I'm saying, like, that's not gonna stop us from making the videos. We're still gonna be drifting and shit. Don't worry. Matt's gonna be in my car. We're gonna get a bucket before the end of the summer for you guys. We're gonna fuck shit up. Promise that.
and we'll keep y'all updated. Off she goes. All right, you guys. So some unfortunate news, like you saw, the engine looks like it's done. It's what happens in this game. You lose some, you win some. But today we're gonna go to the shop. I already got some videos, as you guys saw, of the engine running. Like, you can hear it, hear how it's knocking. But we're gonna go there. We're just gonna talk to Jimmy for a little bit, see what some of our options are. My plan was to just swap a used engine into the car, and I think that's what we're probably gonna do. But I think it's good to just stop by, see the car, listen to it some more, and just talk a little bit about some options. But yeah, we'll keep you guys updated. This is unfortunate, but like I said, it's part of the game. So, alright guys, so we're back at the G right now. As you saw before, we put the jumper pack on. It's even started because the battery just dies out. So that's what we're gonna do again. We're gonna let you guys listen to it again. But you know, like he's saying, he thinks that it's the engine, and we're just gonna have to swap the engine. Unfortunately. Alright, so the first video was like a cold start. The second video was like it warming up. It's pretty warm now. Just want to show you guys how it sounded from the inside. That's definitely an engine. That shit's knocking. Oh man. It's probably the last time y'all will hear it running for a little while. Still runs, just knocks. Oh man. Appreciate you guys for watching another episode. We're currently trying to source an engine right now for the G. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps out. Thank you.